please. This is your girl, Christine on Immaculate Show once again. Welcome to this mind-blowing video. Don't mind about the background, the noise background. In today's video, I'm going to take you through deeply and smartly, and I'm going to explain for you, especially who that person that has been on this video, commenting, writing WhatsApp status and writing WhatsApp. I want you to follow me. And I want you to get exactly what we mean if we say, if you're holding a smartphone, you should be earning some, let's even $5 per day. When we're talking about $5 per day, we don't mean that you're going to start today and start earning it. But with focus, persistence, consistent, and even being fierce, you can earn even more than $5. So let's put in a calculation. If you earn $5 per day, we're not going to say the whole month, 30 days. No, let's say you're going to get this money. You're going to get a rest of posting and making orders. Let's say you are going to deal in 25 days. It means in a month you're going to be having 125 days. Come on. $25 can do something for you. There are some individuals who don't even get $50 in a month when they are holding a smartphone. What are we talking about? This video is a follow-up video after seeing your continuous massive support that you showed us on this video. Let me check for you this video. This video, you really showed that you had interest in understanding how to turn your WhatsApp status into money. If you go to our videos, you'll find there a video that has been going viral, and it has a lot of questions, a lot of comments. That's the video that I'm following up. When we are talking about WhatsApp status, I want you to get your phone and see the WhatsApp. That's the normal WhatsApp for messaging, is the one I mean. Then I don't mean that this WhatsApp is going to be giving you money. What I mean one of the elements on WhatsApp would be giving you money. When you open this WhatsApp, after opening it, I want you to go down. This is real. Follow me closely. If you go to WhatsApp, are you using Android? You're using iPhone, whichever phone you're using. When you go down, you're going to see updates. I know most of you always post different things on your updates, but me, I post things that are either going to lead you to my channels, or things that are going to make you buy something from me, or things that are going to make you click on the links on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, something like that. So when you go there, you'll see people's updates all are here. We have some people who are very good at reading people's updates, and those are our targeted customers. Those are our targeted customers. So these are the people who watch your video. The moment you put your status, someone has already clicked. Don't get annoyed with it. Before, I used to feel bad. Why is this person always watching my status? Me, I hardly watch people's status, but I love people to watch my status because I can turn you into money. Now, this status, what was I meaning in that video? That you can make money out of your status. It is not that the status will just you'll put your account and it starts giving you money. No. This is a disclaimer, by the way. I'm not a financial guru. I'm not a financial consultant. I'm a lady that has used these tricks. No, they are not even tricks. I've used these methods. Have used my smartphone to make sure that I cannot lose, or I cannot yearn for some small dollars. And it has also made me to turn this smartphone into a passive income generating machine. This is a real dollar generating machine. I mean a smartphone. So what do you do? Now, if you have this smartphone, one, the payment method depends on what you want and what you are selling. It can be by the easiest method that you have and what you're selling to. For example, let's talk about people who are total beginners. You don't have a shop. you don't have products, you are just there. The easiest way, I have two easiest ways that I'm going to bring for you here. The first one is to make sure that you do drop shipping or sell things around your home or around your groceries that you have. For example, you see this beautiful brows that I'm putting on. I can go to the shop where I bought this beautiful brows. The moment I go there, I take a photo of this brows. Or I can easily take a photo of this brows product, provided I know that shop they have it. I put it on my status. After putting it on my status, I tell them, DM me. Send me a message if you want this. Price is very affordable. If you want, you can put the price. If you want, you can leave a room for negotiation. So your people who will fail to love something like this? Who will fail to love something like this? By the way, I got a wristwatch that matches it. It's here. So if you're a person who wants to be focused, you can also get accessories that can match what you're selling. This was an example. The second example, you can go to that shop or the grocery where you find they are selling smartphones. Are they used or they are original? What you do, you talk to those people. That one is called drop shipping, status drop shipping. Status drop shipping is you are not going to handle any amount of money. You are not going to even handle any inventory, any transaction. You talk with those people, the owners of the shop, the groceries, you franchise with them. You are like, you guys, I'm going to be sending for you my customers, but the customers who are going to come, I would love you to sell them at this amount of money. If they are selling this phone at $20, you tell the people who are selling, you say, please, I'm going to sell it at $25. So $5 will be mine. You can even go ahead and talk to them and say, can they give you commission? There, why not? Who is going to refuse to give you more commission? So you've gotten $5 from this person, and at the same time, the shop is going to give you. These are the local methods that you can use as a beginner. So whenever you come, you bring a photo of this, you make sure that you know its features, its benefits, everything about it, the colors, the size, why do you want people to use it? Why do you want people to? You even learn the language of customer service. You put it on your WhatsApp status, and you direct them to the shop with this code. So the moment, even if you don't direct them to the shop, if they chat you, you make sure that you get the location, you get everything about the person who wants this phone. So the moment they send the money, depending on the method of payment, as I told you in the beginning, you pay the other people the $20, the $5 remains for you. Of course, you should be knowing also the delivery, anything concerning delivery charges, the modes of delivery, and other things. You end up making money without an inventory and without putting any transaction. What is the good thing in this? You are seated at the comfort of your home. When I move out and I see something that is beautiful, you take a photo. Because now you're like, I should not let my billboard, WhatsApp status is income billboard, go free. Go just like that by putting on the photos. Now let's come, you people, come and we talk about you guys who say, I have services. You have service. You know how to make hair. You know how to do these customize such kinds of dresses. You know how to make thumbnail. You know how to make posters. You know how to make content, write scripts. This is what I mean, making money with your WhatsApp. Just what you do, go and put there. I feel if you want a deep explanation about it, I know you're doing it, but you don't know that by the way, you're doing a great work. If you want a detailed explanation, go to the comment section, right there. I want deep explanation, but remember, deep explanation comes with a tag. A cost, not a tag, a cost. So if you want to join a masterclass, I'm very free. I'm going to give you 80%, but rest assured. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye-bye.